This is just an update video. I've added 2 more panels onto the tracker. Each panel is only 2 watts, so I've got 4 watts now driving the motor, and if there's not much sun, it does drive the motor quite nicely. And the sun's just come out a little bit, but you can see that it's not very bright in the sky. That's very poor, and the whole point is that you don't need as much sun as you did before. And you can see that that's running quite nicely. So there we are, that's what we're doing. So I've added 2 more on. I don't think I need to add 2 more to the other part, which is just raises it up and down as it tracks the sun. So there we are. So they're in parallel to each other. So that one and that one are joined together into the motor. That's what I've done, and I hope this helps you out. So each panel is 2 watts, so that's 4 watts a side, and it drives these little motors quite nicely. You can see this ripping round now. So there we are. This is Dave signing off. Don't forget the bits at the bottom, thumbs up, and subscribe, and we'll catch you all on the flip side. Bye-bye. Whoosh, we're gone.